And Ricky, our time begins now. Actor, director.
Pwede bang both?
Yes, drama, action.
Sige, drama.
Sunrise, sunset.
Sunrise.
Regret, forget.
Forget.
Move in, move on.
Move on.
Tears of Cruz III, Christopher De Leon.
I love both. I love
Sharon
both.
Cuneta, Lorna Tolentino.
I love both.
Kung gagawa ka ng pelikula, kung gagawing pelikula ang buhay mo, anong genre?
Drama, siguro.
Anong title?
Ricky, gising na.
Sino ang gaganap bilang Ricky?
Oh, wow. Wow. Miguel Tan Felix, nagagalingan ako sa kanya.
Napakagaling. Sino ang leading lady?
De si Bianca na.
Yes or no? May asim pa ba?
Yes!
Natural. Yes or no? Madali nang hingalin.
Yes.
Yes or no? You believe in second chances.
Yes.
Yes or no? You are in love now.
Yes.
Your biggest fear.
Losing loved ones.
Your biggest achievement.
My family, my kids.
Private or public?
Private pa rin.
Exclusive, inclusive.
Inclusive.
Best father or best lover?
Pwede ba? Ngayon, parang both.
1 to 10, rate yourself as a father.
Siguro 8.
1 to 10, rate yourself as a lover.
8 na rin.
Lights on or lights off?
On!
Happiness or chocolates?
Whichever comes first.
Best time for happiness?
Anytime, every time.
Complete the sentence. I am Ricky Davao, and I'm proud to say that.
I am Ricky Davao, and I'm proud to say that I've reached this point in my career, that I'm so blessed and happy and contented, and I'm ready.